Are you ready? It's Tell a Joke Day. What did the spider do on the computer? It made a website. Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. What has 4 legs but can't walk? A table. How do we know carrots are good for your eyes? Because you never see rabbits wearing glasses. On which side of an ostrich are the feathers? The outside. Joey, can you come out and play? No, I have to help my dad do my homework. Why did the clown take off his shoes? His feet felt funny. What is the longest word in English? Smiles, because there is a mile between each S. Where do snowmen keep their money? In snow banks. Why did the tomato turn red? It saw the salad dressing. What kind of dog keeps the best time? A watchdog. What do you call cheese that is not yours? Nacho cheese. How does the ocean say hello? It waves. What's orange and sounds like a parrot? A carrot. Why did the bicycle fall down? It was too tired. A man got hit in the head with a can of Coke. Thank God it was a soft drink. What do you call a fish with no eyes? Psh. What's the stupidest animal in the jungle? A polar bear. Why did the rubber chicken cross the road? She wanted to stretch her legs. Why did the duck cross the road? Because it thought it was a chicken. Why did the kid cross the playground? To get to the other slide. Why did the little moron not fall off the chair? Because he was a little moron. How many students does it take to screw in a light bulb? None. Because it's not on the state exam. How many lawyers does it take to change a light bulb? How many can you afford? Why did the student eat his homework? Because the teacher said it was a piece of cake. Why don't teddy bears eat? Because they are always stuffed. What do kids play when they don't have a phone? Board games. Why was the weightlifter angry? Because he worked with dumbbells. The end.